Hello students, welcome to mathematics online classes of third semester. Now we are going to discuss an example of obtaining a numerical solution of second order ordinary differential equation, which is the d square y by dx square minus x square dy by dx minus 2 times xy equal to 1 with the condition y of 0 equal to 1, y dash of 0 is equal to 0. Then we need to evaluate the value of y of 0.1 by using RK method of fourth order. Okay. Very first here we need to understand the given example is of second order. When it is of second order, directly RK method is not applicable. So what to do? First we need to convert that second order ordinary differential equation into simultaneous set of first order ordinary differential equation. Okay. Let us take it by data. What is given? D square y by dx square minus x square dy by dx is minus 2xy is equal to 1. So d square y by dx square minus x square dy by dx minus 2xy is equal to 1 with the condition y naught is equal to 1 and y dash naught is equal to 0 at the rate of x naught is equal to 0. X naught is equal to 0. Fine. Therefore, very first, to convert second order differential equation into first order simultaneous equations, what we need to do? We need to put dy by dx is equal to z. Okay. And its a derivative, that is a d square y by dx square is equal to dz by dx. Okay. Therefore, the given differential equation becomes, second order differential equation becomes, after this substitution, it becomes d square y by dx square is nothing but dz by dx minus x square into dy by dx will be taken as z minus 2 times xy is equal to 1. Therefore, what about the values, initial conditions? Now y naught is 1 only. Then we can see this y dash. Now dy by dx is nothing but y dash. That y dash is treated as z now. Therefore, z is equal to 0 at the rate of x is equal to 0. Means z naught, x naught if I take. Fine. Therefore, I'll be treating this is one equation and this is the modified equation and this is substituted equation. If this equation is modified, dy by dx is equal to what? Then we will be getting its solution. So what I do? First, I'll be taking this result, that is dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to z. This will be treated as the first equation, which is the first equation, which will be taken as f of x, y, z. I'll be calling it as first equation. Okay. Then second equation, dz by dx. What it will be? Dz by dx is equal to. Okay. Dz by dx is equal to, then this is equal to what? This is equal to 1 minus, you take it to the other end, then it becomes 1. This goes to the other end, then it is 1 plus 2xy plus x square z. I'll be taking this as, this is equal to g of x, y, z. Equation number 2. Fine. Equation number 2. These are the two equations. Therefore, what to do now? So this is first equation. This is second equation. Then we need to compute the value of k1, k2, k3, k4 and L1, L2, L3, L4. And here I need to understand what is h. H is nothing but initial value of x given is 0. And what we need is 0.1. So h is equal to 0.1. Clear? Okay, let us start with its a solution now. For equation number 1, For equation number 1, compute K1, K2, K3, K4. And for equation number 2, compute L1, L2, L3, L4. Okay, these results to be calculated now. Okay, use previous concept only, but first don't take K1, K2, K3, 4, L1, L2, L3, L4 separately. You take first K1, then L1, K2, L2, K3, L3, K4, L4 like this. Either you make a partition and try to manage, or else you take first K1, L1, K2, L2 like this. We'll try to take it under partition. So let us see what it is now. First K1. What is the formula for K1? H into F of X naught, Y naught, Z naught. X naught, Y naught, Z naught. So which is equal to H is 0.1 into F of X naught. What is the value of X naught given? The given value of X naught is 0. Then Y naught. Y naught is 1. Then Z naught. Z naught is 0. Okay, this is 0. Therefore, I'll make a partition, then I'll take it here. Then K1 is equal to 0.1 into, what is the function of F? Means F function. F function is only Z. Means we need to substitute the value of Z naught. Therefore 0.1 into Z naught is 0. Therefore the value of K1 is 0. Okay. Similarly, I'll move to L1. So L1 is equal to H into G of X naught, Y naught, Z naught. Again H is 0.1, that into G of, what are the values? Same values you'll get. X naught, Y naught, Z naught. That is nothing but 0, 1, 0. Therefore L1 is equal to 0.1 into G function. What is G function? G function means the second function. What is that? G function is 1 plus 2xy plus x square z. So I'll be substituting the values now. 1 plus 2 into x naught, x value, x, y, z, x value 0 into y value 1 plus x square, that is 0 square, into z value 0. Okay, this is equal to, if you calculate this, 0 into anything, 0 into anything, this is gone. Okay, so what it will be? 1. 1 into 0.1, that is 0.1. This is L1. Okay. Similarly, move to K2. What is the formula for K2? K2 is H into F of X naught plus H by 2, Y naught plus K1 by 2, Z naught plus L1 by 2. Clear? Therefore, H into F of X naught 0, 0 plus H 0.1, 0.1 by 2, that is 0.05. 0.05. 0.05. Then Y naught. Y naught is 1. 1 plus K1. K1 is 0. So anything. So it is 1. 0.05, 1, Z naught is 0. 0 plus L1. L1 is 0.1. 0.1 by 2. That is 0.05. Therefore, this is 0.1 into Z naught. F function. F function is nothing but only Z. Z naught means Z value. So substitute Z value. What is Z value? X, Y, Z. So 0.05. So this is 0.05, which is equal to, calculate how much it is. 0.1 into 0.05. That is nothing but 0.005. This is K2. Similarly, L2. L2 will be H into G of x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k1 by 2, z naught plus l1 by 2. But it remains same. As I told you, this is nothing but 0.1 into g of same, that is 0.05 comma 1 comma 0.05 remains same. Okay, therefore L2 is equal to 0.1 into g function. What is g function? G function is g of xyz is 1 plus 2xy plus x square z. Therefore here x, y, z. So it is 1 plus 2 times x. X is 0.05 into y, that is 1, plus x square, that is 0.05 the square, into z, that is 0.05. Calculate. This is equal to 0.11, that is L2. 0.11, that is L2. Means we got K1, L1, K2, L2. Then we'll move to L3. Let us see what is L3 now. Sorry, K3. K3 is equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2, comma y naught plus k2 by 2, comma z naught plus L2 by 2. So which is equal to 0.1 into f of x naught. X naught is 0. H is 0.1. 0.1 by 2 is 0.05. Comma y naught is 1. 1 plus k2. K2 is 0.005. 0.005 divided by 2. That plus 1. So this will be equal to 1.0025. Comma. Next, z naught. Z naught is 0. 0 plus L2. L2 is 0.11. 0.11 divided by 2. 0.11 divided by 2 is 0.055. Calculate this result. Then this is equal to, what to do now? 0.1 into function is z, means 0.1. This is equal to 0.1 into 0.055. That will be the value for K3. So that is equal to, let us see how much it is. Use calculator and calculate this value. Then this becomes 0.1 into 0.055 is nothing but 0.0055. Okay, so this is K3. Then we'll move to L3. What is L3 now? L3 is equal to h into g of x naught plus h by 2, comma y naught plus k2 by 2, comma z naught plus L2 by 2. That is equal to 0.1 into g of same result, that is 0.05, comma 1.0025, comma 0.055. Therefore L3 is equal to 0.1 into the functional value. What is g function? G function is 1 plus 2xy plus x square z. Therefore it is 1 plus 2 into x. X is 0.05 into y, that is 1.0025, plus x square, that is 0.05 the square, into z, that is 0.055. If we calculate this, we will be getting L3. Let us see what is L3. Use calc and calculate. L3 is equal to, this overall calculation if you take, it is 0.1111004. 4. Fine. So this is the result of K3 and L3. Similarly, we need to calculate K4 and L4. So let us see what is the K4. K4 is equal to H into F of x0 plus H, comma y0 plus K3, comma z0 plus L3, which is nothing but 0.1 into F of x0 is 0, H is 0.1, so 0 plus 0.1, comma y0 is 1, K3 is this, so it is 1.0055, comma z0 is 0, L3 is 0.11004. So this is equal to. So what to do now? We have to take it as 0.1 into z0 function, z function. Z is 0.11004. That is, which is equal to 0.1 into 0.11004. Let us see how much it is. K4 is equal to 0.011. 0.011. This is K4. Therefore, we got the value of K4, that is nothing but 0.011. Okay. Similarly, take L4. So L4 is equal to H into G of x0 plus H, comma y0 plus K3, comma z0 plus L3. Same, this results remain same, that is L4 is equal to 0.1 into G of same, that is 0.1, 1.0055, comma 0.11004. Okay, so L4 is equal to 0.1 into, we can see what is the function. Function is, G function is 1 plus 2xy plus x square z. Therefore, substitute these results. Then it becomes 1 plus 2 into x. X is 0.1 into y, that is 1.0055, plus x square, that is 0.1 square, into z. Z is 0.11004. Therefore, L4 is equal to calculate and let us see what it is. L4 is equal to 0.12022. 12022. Okay. So now let us move to the result, the required solution, which is y of x0 plus h is equal to y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Fine. So which is equal to y of x0, x0 is 0, plus h is 0.1, which is nothing but y of 0.1, which is equal to y0. Y0 is 1 plus 1 divided by 6 into k1. What is k1? 0. K1 is 0 plus 2 times k2. K2 is 0.005 plus 2 times k3. K3 is 0.0055 plus k4, that is 0.011. Therefore, y of 0.1 is equal to, calculate this result. Yes, overall if you calculate by using calc, 1 plus 1 by 6 into this everything, then this is equal to 1.0053. So this is the required result as per the given example. Okay. Similarly, z of x0 plus h is equal to 1 divided by 6, z0 plus 1 by 6 into L1 plus 2 L2 plus 2 L3 plus L4. Okay, this is the formula. This is the formula to calculate Y. This is the formula to calculate Z. Now let us substitute all the values and let us see what will be the result. So Z of 0 plus 0.1, that is nothing but Z of 0.1 is equal to Z0. Z0 is 0 plus 1 by 6 times L1. L1 is 0.1 plus 2 into L2, that is 0.11 plus 2 into L3, that is 0.11004. This plus L4. L4 is 0.12022. If we calculate this result, this will be